Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix Monopoly Go keeps crashing problem. If you try to open Monopoly Go and it just keeps on crashing, then the first thing I will suggest you to do is check your Wi-Fi. But sometimes due to slow Wi-Fi as well, it causes a problem. But if the Wi-Fi is not the problem, then I would suggest you to delete your Monopoly Go app and re-download it again. If you delete your Monopoly Go app, the bug which is causing this problem will also be deleted. And when you reinstall Monopoly Go, you will be downloading the latest version of Monopoly Go. So you will be doing two things at once. You will be deleting the bug and you will be updating your Monopoly Go at the same time as well. So try to delete and reinstall Monopoly Go app, your problem should be fixed. So second thing could be that your phone storage is full. So if you don't even have 1 GB free on your phone, that could also be causing the problem. So try to check if you have enough storage and make sure you have at least 1 GB free. If you have less than that, try to delete stuff and clear the storage so you can run Monopoly Go app smoothly. And the next thing could be that Monopoly Go servers are down. So Monopoly Go from time to time fixes their server due to some problem. If you're trying to open Monopoly Go during that time, you won't be able to open it. And at that time, how you guys can fix it is just wait until Monopoly Go servers are on again. So you can just wait for 3 or 4 hours and their servers will be on again and you can start playing it again. But that is how you guys can fix Monopoly Go keeps crashing problem. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.